What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Listen, I am here out at Hollywood Studios, and that's the Disney Skyliner, and I have yet to ride this thing because when it opened up, shortly afterwards, they kind of had an accident and they were out of commission for a while. So I never got a chance to ride them. So I'm really excited to ride them today. Hopefully nothing crazy happens. It's it's looking pretty stormy out right now. So hopefully there's no like malfunctions, no lightning strikes or nothing. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but I just want to go on the full tour of this thing, and we're going to take it everywhere it goes, and we're going to see all the sights it sees, and hopefully it's a good time. So let's do this thing.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to EPCOT International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to Hollywood today. Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. Bye! Ciao!
All right, so we're out here at the first station, and that was my first experience on the Skyliner, and I'm gonna keep it 100% real here. It is not the hottest day out here in Florida right now. It's probably like 80 something. However, it is overcast, it is cloudy. It just got done raining a little bit while we were on it. It is humid, so that makes a difference, and it was pretty hot in there. I mean, it's not like killing you. It might just be the humidity here, but I don't know, man. It's gotten me a little worried to go on the rest of this thing, but we're gonna do it anyway. So we'll see how the rest of this goes. I'm not extremely excited anymore, but we're gonna do it for the content.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Now get ready to travel back in time and enter the animated worlds of Disney. We are on our way to Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. over the sparkling waters of Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth. In just a few moments, we will be arriving at the only floating Skyliner station at Walt Disney World Resort. Passengers can disembark here for Disney's Pop Century Resort and for Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner. Bon voyage!
All right, so good news. So we made it out here to the Art of Animation and Pop Century stretch of the Skyliner, and I think what happened was on that first stretch from Hollywood Studios, I think we were just kind of not in the direction of the breeze that was blowing. So this time was actually really nice. It was actually super pleasant. The breeze felt fantastic. It was good. I'm still kind of worried about this on like a hot day because this is fall in Florida right now. I mean, yeah, it's not too much different from summer, but summer can get hot. So I don't know. There is hope. There is a lot of hope. So we're gonna hit back on it and head all the way down to EPCOT. We'll have to make a stop at the previous station we were just at, but let's get it. So I finally got one of these things to myself, which is awesome. And something that's different about this time is the first few times I was in some of the themed gondolas, and it's a little bit harder to see out, but this one is not themed. It's just a plain yellow gondola, and the windows are clear, and it's great for getting some awesome views here. Just check this out. Well, that's a horrible spot, but here, check out this. It's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. I'm really digging this thing so far right now. My mind is completely changed, and we're going the opposite direction from the previous time, which I got a breeze the previous time. This time, I'm getting that same breeze. It feels fantastic. I don't know. My mind is very quickly changing. The first stretch had me a little worried. I'm feeling a lot better now. This is awesome.
Welcome aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to EPCOT. Hold on to your straw hats. We are about to enter the heart of the Caribbean.
Oh, sorry. I got in trouble. I don't think that station was open or something, so the door's open and they're like, stay on! But
welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to EPCOT.
Rudely interrupted
Ladies
again.
and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
Anyways, I don't think that station was open. I was about to get off and they're just like, whoa, whoa, whoa! And it was kind of awkward, but whatever. What are you gonna do? So I think I'm kind of figuring this thing out. And to you can actually kind of spot and see which cart you want to get on, and I highly recommend getting in the non-themed carts because it's so much clearer to see everything out here. If you want to get pictures, it's the perfect thing to do. So you can kind of gauge how many people are in front of you and how many carts there are and see which ones aren't themed. They just have no characters on it. And so I highly recommend these ones. The themed ones are kind of, I don't know, it kind of ruins the whole view of everything. I think it might make more sense if it's a really hot day because they seem to be a little bit more tinted.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments, we will be taking a scenic spin around the Skyliner turn station. Please remain seated. This station was designed for turning only.
Anyways, let's keep going. We are almost to EPCOT, and I really want to see the construction progress on the Paris Pavilion because we're going to be flying directly over that thing. So we've made it to the EPCOT station of the Disney Skyliner, and from here, out across the way from the Paris Pavilion, you can see some of the construction going on. Not the best view. The flyover was absolutely a lot better. You can see a lot of things going on. They still have a ton of work to do, but they do have this cool opening summer 2020 Remy Ratatouille sign. And I'm really pumped for this ride because Ratatouille is by far my favorite Pixar movie. So let's get back on the Skyliner and call it a day. So a series of events happened. My battery died, so I apologize I didn't get the journey back, but you kind of get the picture at this point, how the Skyliner is. So I did decide to go into Hollywood Studios and charge up my battery just a little bit because I had my charger with me. In the meantime, after my camera charged, it started pouring really bad, and I decided to just go ahead and make the trek back to the car. I am completely drenched, even though it doesn't look like it. There's not a dry spot on me right now. One thing, however, I did notice though, as I was coming out, I did notice that the Skyliner is completely stopped. And there was a lot of lightning, and so I'm assuming that's the reason why. But I'm kind of curious as to what the policy is on that. I don't know if there's still people on there, because they've been stopped quite a while. So I don't know if I just dodged a bullet, like a major bullet here, but yeah. I would like to find out if there are actually people on that thing right now, because it's been stopped a good 30 minutes now because it's been raining pretty hard. The lightning was booming. It's definitely slowing down now. The sun is starting to come out, so you can see out there. Yes, there it is. So there is some light of day. There is some hope. Hopefully that thing's gonna keep moving shortly, especially if there's people on there. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. And I'll just see you on the next one.